You don't need to be rich to become wealthy. In fact, your first $100 could be the beginning of a $100,000 portfolio. Most people believe investing is only for millionaires, but that's the biggest lie keeping people poor. The truth is simple. Wealth isn't built with one big investment. It's built with small investments made consistently. Imagine planting a tiny seed today. Years later, it grows into a giant tree. That's exactly how investing works. Let's say you only have $100. What should you do? First, don't chase quick money. Forget lottery stocks and overnight success stories. Instead, invest in assets that have grown steadily for decades. That's why millions of investors choose low-cost index funds. An index fund spreads your money across hundreds of companies. If one company struggles, the others help balance your investment every single month. It doesn't sound like much, but consistency beats intensity. And here's the secret: compound growth. Your money earns returns, then those returns earn even more returns. That's how ordinary people become financially free. It feels painfully slow. Your portfolio barely moves. But after several years, something incredible happens. Your investments begin earning more money than your monthly deposits. That's the power of compound interest. Never panic when the market falls. Every successful investor experiences market crashes. In fact, smart investors see market crashes as opportunities, because when prices fall, your $100 buys more shares. Another mistake: trying to time the market. Nobody can consistently predict the perfect day to invest. Instead, invest automatically every single month. That removes emotion and builds die. Discipline is more valuable than luck. Now compare two people. Investor A keeps waiting for the perfect moment. Investor B starts today with only $100. 10 years later, Investor B is usually far ahead, because time in the market beats timing the market. Even small increases matter. Can you invest $150 instead of $100? Can you add $20 extra after your next raise? Those tiny changes today can become thousands of dollars tomorrow. Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about staying consistent. Now imagine yourself 20 years from today. Would you rather say, "I wish I had started," or "I'm so glad I did"? Every wealthy investor made a first investment, just like you can. Here's the simple plan. Save your first $100. Invest it in a diversified, low-cost index fund.